Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex had always been fascinated by the mountains and dreamt of conquering their majestic peaks. However, he was born with a physical disability that made climbing seem impossible. Despite his challenges, Alex refused to let his limitations define him. He had an unwavering spirit and an unquenchable thirst for adventure. Every day, he would sit at the base of the mountains, gazing up at their snow-capped summits, envisioning himself standing on top. One day, a seasoned mountaineer named Eric visited the village. Eric was known for his remarkable feats of climbing and his ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Alex approached him with a gleam of determination in his eyes and shared his dream of scaling the mountains. Eric, moved by the young boy's passion, decided to take him under his wing. He taught Alex about mountaineering, the art of climbing, and most importantly, the power of perseverance. He explained that climbing was not just about physical strength but also about mental resilience. With Eric as his mentor, Alex began his training. They started with small hills and gradually progressed to more challenging terrains. Alex faced numerous setbacks along the way, times when his body would ache with exhaustion, when doubts would cloud his mind, and when the mountains seemed to mock his dreams. But every time Alex stumbled, Eric was there to encourage him, reminding him of his incredible progress and the strength that lay within him. Together, they conquered obstacles, scaled heights, and experienced the beauty of the mountains. One fateful day, after years of dedication and hard work, Alex stood at the peak of the highest mountain in the range. The wind whispered through his hair, and the view took his breath away. He had done it. Against all odds, he had triumphed over his disability and conquered his dream. Word of Alex's remarkable achievement spread like wildfire throughout the village and beyond. People marveled at his determination and were inspired by his courage. His story became a symbol of hope, reminding everyone that no dream is too big, and no obstacle is insurmountable if you have the courage to pursue it. From that day forward, Alex became a beacon of motivation for countless individuals facing their own challenges. He taught them that strength comes not from physical abilities alone, but from the belief in oneself and the resilience to keep pushing forward. Alex's journey serves as a powerful reminder that our limitations do not define us. It is the fire within our hearts, the unwavering determination, and the refusal to give up that can propel us to incredible heights. So, dear reader, remember Alex's story when faced with your own trials. Embrace your dreams, overcome your obstacles, and let the indomitable spirit within you soar to new heights. For in the face of adversity lies the opportunity to unleash your true potential and become the hero of your own story.